So we're going to be doing our improvers footwork just for the ladies for our tutorial 1 improvers routine. Okay, so we're going to go straight away, right foot going backwards, and 1, 2, 3, basic, forward, 6, 7. Now Cuban turn, 1, 2, 3, left foot out, across, together, open out, 1, 2, 3, open with the left, 6, 7. 5 turns, ladies, small step going backwards, 1, big step forward, together, again with the left foot, small step back, big step forward, together, and again, 1, 2, 3. Remember when you turn to turn on the ball of your foot, not with your heel, okay? Again, left, right, together. Last one, this is number 5. Back, forward, together. Back across together now with your left foot. Back, across, together. Right foot now. Back, across, together. Last move, out, across, together. Left, cross, together, and we're done.